President Emmerson Mnangagwa on Thursday conferred an Honorary Doctor of Social Sciences in Leadership on his deputy, Kembo Mohadi, during Great Zimbabwe University GZU 19th graduation ceremony in Masvingo. Sanabena mashoko budanyuka pachinzi Masvingo academics dismiss Mohadi's honorary doctorate as political showmanship. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu ayo budanyura chiti. Mnangagwa, who serves as the Chancellor of all state universities, says the honor recognized Mohadi's distinguished contribution to the liberation struggle and decades of the public service. More than 3.4 graduates from various disciplines were kept at the event. However, severe academics in Masvingo dismissed the conferment as a political gesture rather than a recognition of genuine merit. One academic said, "The decision illustrates how universities have become tools for political endorsement instead of institutions that uphold academic integrity. This is no longer about honoring scholarship or leadership excellence," the academic added. "It's about rewarding loyalty. Such moves cheapen the meaning of an honorary degree and erode public trust in universities." Another lecturer echoed similar sentiments, describing the ceremony as a staged performance meant to sanitize the image of the political elite. "The timing is too convenient and the message is clear. Align yourself with power and you will decorate it, regardless of past controversies," said the lecturer. GZU's citation praised Mohadi as a patriotic leader, liberation war veteran, and public servant whose unwavering commitment to national development continues to inspire generations. Yet, the decision has reignited debate about the politicization of higher education in Zimbabwe. Critics argue that honorary degrees are increasingly being used to legitimize ruling party figures rather than celebrate authentic achievements. The Zimbabwe Council of Higher Education has previously cautioned institutions against awarding honorary degrees without clear merit, warning that such actions undermine the credibility of our education system. Toma shwaripo pangwa ina mbuti zamafunguro enyi motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section medu, sono subscribe or like, chit on the bell.